Hi, I'm Mahdy. Today I am talking about Thermaltake Versa N26 catching. The front side is really nice, like a robot, and there is a window glass panel. You can watch motherboard and other component from the outside. That is the back side. It has one built-in system fan which is 120 millimeter. This section designed for installing graphics card, and this is for power supply. That is left side. This section designed for installing SSD card, and there are some cable which is using for the power button reset and USB port. There are three HDD case. This is the bottom section. It is the dust filter. It can protect your PC from the dust. I like this catching. Okay.